Hello friends! Warm welcome to this video. How to delete Instagram account permanently. If you are looking to bid farewell to your Instagram account, then this video is for you. Before we dive in, remember, once you pull the trigger on deleting your account, it's a point of no return. You'll be waving goodbye to all your cherished memories, the photos, the videos, the whole shebang. Follow the steps as shown in this video, and you'll be on your way to a social media cleanse. Open your web browser. Type instagram.com/accounts/remove/request/permanent/ in the URL bar, and press the Enter key on your keyboard. If you are not logged in, then type your email that is registered with Instagram in the first box. Type your Instagram password in the second box, and click on the Login button. If an alert page of Save Your Login Information appears, then click on the Not Now text link. On the Delete Your Account page, click on the drop-down list of Why do you want to delete your account name. Select a reason for deleting your account from the drop-down list. I'm going to select this last option of something else. In the Re-enter your password box, type your Instagram password. Click on the Delete button with your name at the bottom, and this will delete your Instagram account permanently. Please do not forget to like this video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more upcoming tech support videos. Thank you for watching this video.